Are we ready? 3, 2. Uh-oh. It's me. Hi, I'm the problem, it's me. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted for 2 months, I'm really sorry. I haven't been as motivated with YouTube, but I think if I just keep trying, I'll get back into it, because sometimes I like it, and then sometimes I'm like, what am I even doing? And then I'm like, 1,000 people think I'm cool. And then I'm like, I don't know. So, anyways, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. In today's video, let me get it, hold on. We will be making this Hello Kitty charm jewelry here. It's gonna be really fun, so I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, and make sure you go ahead and check out any other videos after watching this one of mine, of course, and go check out the links below. Instagram, eBay, blah, 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 blah. And yeah, welcome back. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. Gonna make some cute jewelry and have some fun. So thanks for subscribing and sticking around through all this. There is doggy hair. Okay. Yeah, we're doing a craft, and I think I have everything, but I don't know. And I saw this, and it was at Michael's, not sponsored, but look at it! We're gonna make stuff, let's open it up! Let's do the unboxing! We are farmers. Dun, 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 dun. We are filming. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, there's tape. Ugh. Play that game again where Lauren takes forever to pick at the tape. Yeah, the reason I did this video, for my video coming back, is because you guys voted on my Instagram. Oh, that's gonna take forever. You guys voted on my Instagram what video you wanted to see. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get scissors. Okay, here's what we got inside. So we've got this stuff in plastic, and we've got our instructions, and they're cute! And that was everything in the box, so unpackaging ASMR. Ooh. Here I'm thinking people watch this channel for ASMR. I could do an ASMR. I just don't have clicky clacky nails. I have guitar nails. Unbox everything here. This is so cute. You know what this is giving? This is giving, wow, I sound like a Gen Z for real. It's giving like an 80s mall. Like, it's so cute. Like, I want to display it a little bit. It's so cute. And look, this bag has spilt all these things. That is so sad. Let's read the instructions. Okay, it says unpackage everything first. You can do that. Oh, it's so cute! Yeah, it kind of does look like an 80s mall, but am I wrong? So there's our little... Okay, this may just turn into a stim toy when I'm done. I'm having fun doing a YouTube video that hasn't happened in a while. I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking around through my really sad 2022. I don't know about you, but I'm done with 22. I'm pulling the thing off the cardboard here because it may not fit in the frame. Ah. Ta-da! It's gonna be a mess once I open this. Just wait, it's gonna be a huge mess. Oh my gosh. This is supposed to be a child's toy. This is... Look at these. These are... I'm gonna find these for weeks, and honestly, I don't care. So we've got so many options here. Oh, we got jump rings. That's nice, thank you. And we've got all the little non-pearls stuck to them, as you can plainly see on the inside and on the outside. And then we have some plastic chains. We have 3 types of chunky, cute glitter. Aww. Is anything on my channel organized at all? I'm gonna get a vacuum in here the minute we're done with this. Sequins. I don't know if I'll use those. I don't know if I like it. Maybe I'll just use the pink ones. This gorgeous... Oh, look, I come with a clasp, that's so nice. I'm excited. I'm excited. Sprinkles. I don't know what this is for, but... Sparkle stars. More sprinkles. More stars. Words. Words. Yeah, words. And this very conveniently somehow exploded. And then some beads. Had to make your bubble charms. Don't let things explode in the package. Okay, step 1. Pull out the drawer from the bubble charm maker. Pick a charm and design and gently tear it from the sheet. Okay. And this was the moment she realized she was in over her head. Here's our little guy. There's another foam ball thing stuck to it. Oh, no, go back in there. How? Wait, do they want us to take it out? Oh. Okay, I understand now. Okay, so we got our little guy. So let's just do this. Bow on up top. Ooh, satisfying. Okay, we've got our pieces. You can't see them. We've got our We've got pieces, yep. Oh, it looks like we place it right here. Oh, how nice. So we have to tear off this thing, it says. Okay, I got this, I got this. I didn't say this was gonna be a tutorial. I don't even know how to do it. We just vibe in here. Ah, haha, haha, I found it. 2 hours later, 2.5 million hours later, 2.5 million hours later. We got it. Ah! Okay, got our sticky. Something tells me these aren't going to last very long after we make them because they're paper and sticky. But there's already cat hair on mine. Great. We gotta fill with stuff now. Cool. So this is the background. So it's giving 80s. That's pretty cute. I like those a lot. Or we could just do the sprinkles. Or we could do the endless foam balls on the floor. Let's do the foam balls because we have so many of them and they're cute. And they're a mess. But they're a cute mess. Like me. So, yeah. Okay, that's more than enough. Get off of there. Okay, and then we put our backing onto the top here with the cat hair in it because why not? Oh no. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Okay, now what? Slide the drawer back into the bubble charm maker and press the button at the top to release your charm out of the tray and it should come out. And then we remove it and we do it again. Okay. Hello, Chrissy! Wake up! And don't come out! We have our half-assed charm. This is why you watch me, because I fail at some things. I'm a genius at some. And then when it's simple things, I fail at them, like social cues. Wow, this is beautiful. And I ripped it sideways. I'm gonna go ahead and try doing a charm off camera to see if it comes out better. But there you go! This is horrible! Cute and horrible at the same time. Love it. Okay, and try doing it on my own and not making too much of a mess. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2. Uh-oh. No! Ah! It didn't even stick. Hold on. What kind of nonsense is it? Put my little beads back. Oh, I know I didn't even stick. This sticky part didn't come out. It was a sticky part. Okay, hold on. For some reason. Even though I thought I pulled it off. Oh, I didn't! That's why it didn't stick. Excuse me. I'm dumb. Okay, one moment. I'm gonna stick it together with my fingers. Because I want this to work. Now we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna put all those little beads that I put in there back in there. And there's glitter everywhere now. Goodness. Okay. Back little beads. Another cat hair on it. Okay. Then we'll get our backing, which is right here. And ready? You ain't ready for this. You guys are not ready for this. Whoa! Da 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 da! It worked! See, it obviously looks super fashionable. Totally doing these right, guys. They're STEM friendly, though, I will admit. Okay, what do you guys think? Tuxedo Sam for the win? Let's do it. Did you come here for calming content? Nah, this is just me. I don't even know what I'm doing. What even is my channel? Kawaii girl trying to survive anymore. That's what it is. Okay, here we go. No! Oh my gosh. Well, that's it. I'm ending the video. Yeah, that was a fail. When is there ever not a fail on my channel? I'm gonna get one charm right for you guys. I'm gonna get it right, okay? Just bear with me here, okay? Okay, and I've gotta vacuum this floor, my God. Pom-pom here for the win. This is it. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to do it. In the meantime, I just stuck Tuxedo Sam together. Like, whee! This is what I bought it for. I can't believe I wasted $13 on this. Yeah, I love Hello Kitty. I love her to bits and pieces, but maybe I'm just not doing it right. Tell me what I'm doing wrong in the comments, friends. Tell me I need help playing with this toy. Yeah, okay. Okay, we got this. We got this. Get off of there. These are everywhere. Ah! Okay, we got this. It's the final countdown. Do 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 do. We have it in there. We were locked and loaded. And it low-key failed. Alright, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. It failed. I love Hello Kitty. I will always support her, but I guess I'm not good at this. Yeah, so please let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. I love you guys so much. And, yeah, on to the outro, I guess. Bye! Can't believe that was a fail. Love you guys. Bye! Am I filming the outro and the intro at the same time? Yes. I hope that was a good video. I hope you liked it. Once again, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go check out any of my other videos now that you're done watching this one. And hello, thank you for making it to the end. Instagram, Twitter, PO Box, eBay down below. You can check out any of my other videos if you want. And like and comment and subscribe. And I love you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it to the end.